man is the sum of his actions, of what he has done, of what he can do. Happy Gandhi Jayanti, respected father, sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anushka Goswami of class 6C, and today I am going to speak a few words on this special occasion. Do you know why I call this occasion special? Just because it is the birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He studied law in UK and practiced law in South Africa. Internationally, this day is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence, as Gandhiji was a preacher of non-violence. He was a devotee of peace and truth. He played a significant role in achieving independence from British rule. He set an example that independence can be achieved by a path of total non-violence. We should also try to be like Gandhiji. Thank you. Have a fruitful Friday. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning everyone. I am Pooja Nanak from class 6C. Today I am here to speak about Mahatma Gandhi on the occasion of his birthday. Because of his struggles for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name the father of our nation. Also sometimes we call Bapu in India. Every year Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated at 2nd October to pay the tribute to Gandhiji. Every year Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated at Rajghat, Delhi with our Prime Minister along with the President of India. Gather here to pay the tribute to Gandhiji by offering the flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram was sung for him. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born at small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. In 1888, he completed his law in UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After coming back to India with non-violence, he fought for India's freedom from British rule. It was because for him and other national freedom fighters for freedom. India got freedom from 200 years of slavery. A speech is not enough for Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds. But we as the future of India to speak about the Mahatma Gandhi's truth, love and non-violence. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Thank you.
My name is Shishika Dev, class 6, section C, Gandhi Jayanti. Our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation.
Respected fathers, sisters and teachers, I am Kirti Gangwar of class 6C and today I am going to speak a few words on the topic Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also call him as father of the nation or Bapu. He studied law and became British. He said Indian people suffering and starving under British rule. Many movements like Satyagraha movement, non-cooperation movement, non-violence movement
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई दागी न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की तूने चढ़ाई वहाँ